the back of the bus, I'm going to be installing the nut and bolt lock that I saw on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to do it too. Stick around. So as you can see, there's a lovely little latch that pulls up and then unlocks your door, correct? Anybody can unlock it from outside, which is no bueno. So that's what we're gonna do, is find a point where the latch and the handle meet in the middle, so about right there, and you're going to drill a hole. I'm using a pilot hole for now, just this smaller bit, and then I'm going to upgrade to this monster over here because I am going to be using this nut and bolt, and I'm going to show you exactly what's going to be happening. After you drill your hole, you'll be able to get your nut and bolt in there, and once it is inside, you can unscrew this and screw it back in on the other side. We're gonna try it out. See these lovely clouds? All right, about right there. So after you drill past the handle, you're gonna go straight to the latch. Wow, this thing is quite thick. Oh yeah, that matches up real nice. Okay, now we're going to switch bits. So I was on this size and I was just gonna jump straight to this big daddy over here, but I think I might do this one first. He's running away, don't dude. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this one, then that one, and hopefully that'll be a good size for my bolt to go through. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Okay, this is how my holes are looking. Ooh, you can see right through. I love. Awesome. So we're probably gonna do one more size and then it should fit. Yep. Okay, I just want to test it out here. Might need to do a size bigger, just a wee bit. This is looking so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, I love it so much. You have to see. Licky-loo! It's so nice. Wow. That's gonna lock up. Wow, nice. Okay. Next drill bit. Instead of getting the other drill bit, I might see if my impact driver will fit this head and if I can just drill it in, because it's just too perfectly, what's it called? I don't know. I feel like if I go any bigger, it won't hold. So I'm gonna try the impact driver. Perfect fit. And if you're wondering why there's a paper towel around my finger, it's because I cut it earlier, as you saw. And I forgot to get band-aids at the store. And for anyone using a Hypertough or a drill who just doesn't care about your time, go ahead and release some of the pressure that you're putting on the drill and just let it kind of spin around softly, and then it'll get the hang of it. I've been noticing that it catches on the tip, I guess, and how, like, it's weird. I don't know how to explain it, but it catches, and so anytime it does that, just kind of pull away from it, just let it spin, and then keep going in. Just a little tip that I've picked up. I have my magnificently beautiful holes over here. Now what I'm going to do is try and stick this in the back, or maybe I can just go this way. So when I was at Home Depot, I didn't know which one to get, so I got both. They're like 25 cents, I don't care. So I was thinking this longer one, if it was going to be a lot of space like that, how there is, and this, but I think they're gonna get closer together, so I might not need the longer one. I'm gonna try the short one and see what happens. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it into our first hole. see if I can focus here and get it through our second hole. There it goes. Sweet. I think that's gonna do perfectly. So now that it's all the way through, I'm gonna just grab my little screw-on piece here, nut, bolt, don't know, and just go ahead and screw it in. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And that's pretty secure. And bruh, that is not going anywhere. So yeah, there you go, guys. How to lock your back door. Yow, that was awesome. And super minimal tools that you needed. So I would highly suggest getting this DeWalt set. It saved my life so many times. It's amazing. And it goes through wood very nicely as well. This is a metal kit, but wood as well. Then I had my awesome drill in my impact driver that was not needed at all. But this is perfect. Okay, let's go try it from the outside. Yo, this is not even budging the slightest. That's amazing. This is so cool. Okay, now that the door is locked, I'm so proud of myself. That is so cool. Like, if y'all could feel how sturdy it is, you'll know. When you do it to yours, you'll know. Alrighty guys, so I'm actually going to end the video here today. So rapid. He just came out of the woodwork. Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh, he's on his hind legs. Hi, Mr. Bunny. Oh my gosh. The bunny is still there. I was like, I wonder. I'm gonna name him Peter Cottontail. Okay, anyways, me and Peter gotta go. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you so much for joining me on the bus build again. I hope your builds are going lovely. I'll see you next time. Peter Cottontail. Peter. No, I'm just kidding.